How to find trending songs on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find trending songs on Instagram Reels. Let's dive in. First, open Instagram and start creating a story. Tap the music sticker or sound icon to browse songs. In the search bar, type trending and you'll see a list of songs with an up arrow next to them. These are the trending tracks you can use right now. If you want to see even more trending songs, head over to your Reels feed. Scroll through the Reels until you find one with a song that has an up arrow in the bottom right corner. Tap on the song name to open its details. Once you've tapped on the song, you'll see trending in the top right corner. Tap on it again, and you'll be taken to a page that shows the most popular trending songs on Instagram. You can play any of these tracks or use them in your own content. It's a great way to discover audio that resonates with your audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.